35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include New Jerusalem, South Vienna, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, New Carlisle, Terre Haute, Dial 10, West Mansfield, East Liberty, St. Paris,
7:30 in the morning.
North Lewisburg, Harmony, Lisbon, Tigreltown, Lippincott, Snyderville, Mutual, New Moorfield, and Plattsburgh. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 34 and 68. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 61 and 62. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Madison, and Union. Now the National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 4 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio.
That's interesting. Tornado watch. Not our county, luckily. Well, kind of. I kind of wish it was our county. That'd be cool, but that's cool. I finally got the tornado watch after like a year.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coshocton County, Muskingum County until noon. At 11:22 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 27 miles north of Frazeysburg to 15 miles southwest of South Zanesville, or along a line from 24 miles northwest of Coshocton to 17 miles southwest of Zanesville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, New Concord, West Lafayette, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frazeysburg, Philo, Warsaw, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Fultonham, Plainfield, Nellie, Norwich, Drake, Bridgeville, Otsego, and Duncan Falls. Here is a hazard.
Bro, poor Muskingum County is absolutely getting dumped on.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Perry County, northwestern Washington County, Morgan County, central Athens County until 12:15 p.m. At 11:39 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Zanesville to 7 miles east of New Lexington to near Gloucester to 6 miles southeast of Buckville, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chauncey, Stockport, Stroud Run State Park, Burnt Oak State Park, McConnellsville, Renville, Hackney, Beverly, Malta, Eagleford, Cancer Hill, Lowell, Bristol, Fleming, Trimble, Amesville, Gloucester, Jacksonville, Crooksville, and Bartlett. Here is
Well, another one.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Coshocton County, Cherokee County, eastern Muskingum County, northwestern Howell County, Tuscarawas County until 12:30 p.m. At 11:50 miles southeast of South Zanesville, or along the line from 25 miles northwest of Dover to 14 miles southeast of Zanesville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, Cambridge, Ridgeville, New Comerstown, Strasburg, New Concord, Yazville, West Lafayette, Cigar Creek, Hutton, Antrim, Tuscarawas, Oliver, Baltic, Midvale, Philo, Port Washington, and Pleasant Grove. Here are the 11-8.
Bro, the EOM tones vibrate the entire radio.
Southern Tuscarawas County until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of New Concord, or 9 miles northwest of Cambridge, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Ridgeville, Cadiz, Freeport, New Comerstown, Denison, West Lafayette, Hutton, Tuscarawas, Seal, Midvale, Jewett, Port Washington, Bowerston, Barnhill, Sherricksville, Leesville, Plainfield, Stillwater, and Gilmore.
I knew this was about to happen, or I knew this was going to happen at some point today. But the craziest part, I was just thinking about my Zone Guard's extra speakers and when I'm going to get batteries for them. As soon as I heard my EAR-10 start blaring.
Monday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing.
Wow.
Highs around 50. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday night, clear. Lows in the mid-30s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Wow, bro, that's crazy.
Tuesday, mostly sunny.